Back at it at the bike. Got a loop that has integrated lights. I don't know. Seems like it'll do the trick. I have it all lined up. It's the right tubing, right width. So now I need to decide how far to go, how far to cut this, and where to re-weld. So I gotta sit on it. I'm gonna make a little cardboard thing to try it out. Another thing came in the mail. Check this out. Boom. All right, so this is about an inch lower than my current shock setup. I can expand it, make it go up and down. But yeah, replace. Just out here deciding to replace these, so I'm pulling off all this extra stuff. Gonna remove the exhaust from the header back. Boom. Bit hefty thing off. Okay. So this, actually see, I didn't notice this before, has an exhaust connecting the two. Crazy. All right, so now I have multiple of those to take off just to get this off, to get to this bolt, to take these off. But I'm gonna replace these with not a big chromy thing. Probably some shorties. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Well, got the beast of an exhaust out. Weird seeing it without this giant exhaust. Well, I've stripped things down. No shocks, no exhaust, just wheel. So I'm gonna put the shock back on. I'm gonna remove the wheel so I can paint all this and fix the brakes. Or attempt to fix brakes, because I don't really know how to do that. And we'll figure it out. Well, I was gonna put it on, but then it doesn't slide all the way into the shaft. So then I looked, and smart me got the wrong size. It even has little adapters. Even has these adapters. The adapters are 12 millimeters, and this is 14. So it doesn't go. So looks like I gotta send these back. That's what I get for not measuring ahead of time.